Gyms are closed, but your fitness goals can't wait. So, I'm gonna give an idea about what are the types of exercises which are included in a workout plan. In this video, I'll share how you can start exercising at home regularly and how you can create your own fitness challenge or fitness plan. So, let's see how you can do that. Number one thing is that to figure out what is your exact fitness goal. Here I'm sharing a couple of fitness goals ideas. So your goal can be full body fat loss or target on a particular body part like stomach, face, thighs, etc. or flat stomach, core strength, 6 abs, toned body, muscle building. See, you can have just one goal from these or maybe a mix of all. Now, when you know your fitness goal, learn to choose exercise combos. Let's say your fitness goal is weight loss, fat loss, or fit and toned body. Whatever kind of your fitness goal is about, you need to include 3 types of exercises, which includes number 1, stretching, something that improves your muscles. It improves your flexibility. So when you think of stretching, go for yoga. Yoga is best for stretching. Okay? Now number 2 is flow. Flow is about something which pumps your heart rate up, like dance or dance exercises like Bollywood dance or aerobics or Zumba, HIIT workout, brisk walking, or yoga flows like sun salutations. These kind of things pumps your heart rate up. So you should include flow in your daily routines or weekly routines. So number 3 is strength training exercise in which you lift up some weight. This includes push-ups, squats, lunges, jumping jacks. These kind of exercise are strength training exercise, and this is very helpful in weight loss and it improves your metabolism. That is the reason it is great for weight loss. Okay, so these are the 3 kind of exercises which you should include daily or weekly. Now you know the types of exercises, figure out your best time to exercise. So it can be morning or evening time, but make sure that you give minimum 15 minutes to your exercising every single day. And maximum is your limit. But if you are starting, don't push yourself too hard. Start with 2-minute warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes yoga stretches, and 5 to 10 minutes dancing or cardio sort of things. You know everything now. Your fitness goal, types of exercises, and your suitable timing. So now it's time to do action planning. By action planning, I mean make realistic and doable fitness plan. So here is how you can create your fitness plan. So there are 4 columns which include days, timing, duration, and types of exercises. So timing is about morning or evening. Types of exercises about what kind of exercise you want to do, Zumba, dancing, yoga, anything. And duration is about how much minutes you want to exercise. This is how you can create your exercise plan weekly or daily. When you fill the columns, fill it with intention that you are going to do the exercise every single day. I have linked this downloadable document in the description below. So check this out, download and create your own fitness challenge according to your needs. If you haven't got any basic idea yet, then I have a 7 days fitness challenge plan ready for you in a document form. In this, you just need to edit your suitable timings and then go ahead and execute the plan and get the amazing results. You also can create your fitness plan in a notebook just like this. So check out the document in the description box because it's completely free. So make sure you download and create your own or follow the basic 7 days beginners plan. Share and like the video if this was any way helpful or informative to you. Subscribe also.